Hi, I'm Monica McNamara with Caldwell Banker in Ocean City, Maryland. And I wanted to talk to you today about the importance of getting a home inspection done when you buy a property, especially if the property is not new construction and you're not going to be getting a warranty with it. You want to make sure that the appliances, heating, air, mechanical, all of that's in good working condition when you buy the property. And the best way to do that is to hire a professional home inspection company. I'm here today with Lou Schneider from Home Seal Services.
How are you, Monica?
Lou, thanks for stopping by.
Sure.
Wanted to ask you, Lou, one of the most common issues that comes up for you in your business of home inspection, what do you think that would be?
Well, here in the Ocean City market particularly, we have a very diverse type of abodes with everything from single-family homes to high-rise condominiums, new and old. So they all have their own inherent problems. One may not convey to the other. However, the one thing that probably is universal for all of us here is the corrosion of metal parts that are subjected to our salt air environment.
Because of the ocean.
Yes. So metal windows, doors, railings, sliding glass door rollers, outdoor units for heating and air conditioning systems, all pit, corrode, rust, and need to be addressed first thing in a home inspection. One of the things that people can do in order to help those things last longer and work better is on all the moving parts, use a silicone spray, and on the fixed parts, good old auto paste wax.
Wow, that's an interesting tip.
Really does a good job.
Well, thank you, Lou.
Sure.
That's wonderful. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Monica.
And thanks for taking the time to look at this today. Have a great day.